Hey guys, it's your girl Marjani, being Marjani, and I'm back again with another video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to do your eyebrows. As you can see in the titles below. In the title below. Gosh, I'm not do that over. Yes, in the title below. This was highly requested. So So I'm here to just show you guys how I do my eyebrows. I'm still learning, as I said, but on a request, so might as well give it, right? So yeah, let's jump right into the video. So here's what I use. I use a pencil. Which color is it? I don't know. Brown, I guess. Which color brown? I don't know. You know, say it's a dark brown. Hey, yeah. So it's a dark brown pencil. I sharpen it. I like when my point is very pointy. Yeah, because you know it helps with the angles and stuff, I guess. I use eyebrow brush with my concealer, and here's my little spoolie because I'm little, so I use little things. Okay, so yeah, this is my little spoolie. So yeah, this is just what I use right now. I think this is all you need. You probably need something for blending with the concealer, but I use my fingers. You can use your fingers. I hear that when you use your fingers, it's also good with the blending. So yeah, let's just jump right into the steps. Before we jump in, just letting you know, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Join the family. I really do appreciate it. Continue to grow this channel. I have a lot more to show you guys what I am capable of, so stick around to that. Stick around for that. So stick around for that. Right now I'll be using the spoolie to really like brush up the hairs so I can get an idea of how my eyebrows shape. As you can see, my eyebrows are messy. Yeah, and then I go like this. So like the longer hairs can now lay down. Right? Now look at the difference between the eyebrows. Brushed eyebrows, not brushed eyebrows. One thing I do is I noticed that this eyebrow has a round shape and the other one has a more arch shape. So I try to make this an arch as well, instead of one arch, one round. Hopefully you understand me. Okay, so let's start with the pencil. So I take the pencil and I draw from the head, right? From the head of the eyebrow back to just this corner right here. You're drawing one straight line. Alright. I think I already messed it up. But anyways, yeah, so that's the line, the one line from the head to, I guess, I don't even know what's that called. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, just that long line there. Alright, so after drawing that line, I now draw a line starting from here, going down to the end of my tail. Geez, my eyebrow really want to shave. Alright, so, alright. And then I draw a line from here. You don't want to start this one at the beginning of the head of the eyebrow. You start like midsection. Why? I don't know. It looks more natural that way. That's why. Yeah. Let's just say that. Yeah. So you start like kind of like the midsection of your eyebrow and you draw a straight line. Now remember where I tell you that the arch will be right here. I created my arch, and then you draw a line connecting to the end of the tail. So currently this is the outline. Now to do the other eyebrow. Now we're about to fill in the outline. So when filling in your eyebrows, you don't press down on the pencil. You're not color. You understand? Okay, you're not coloring your eyebrows. Right, you're filling them in, so you're going to use light stroke.
Here begins the voiceover because I talk too much. So now we're filling in the eyebrows. When I'm filling in my eyebrows, I start from the midsection down to the tail. I don't touch the head of my eyebrows. If I do, I just do a few strokes like this, just to add a little character, I guess, for it to look just a bit natural and not boxy. So after filling in from the midsection to the tail, I take the pencil and I fill in the one spot. I just go ham there, and then next I take my spoolie, and after I take my spoolie, I just brush it horizontally to push the pencil forward. It prevents my eyebrows from looking boxy. This is a technique I like to use. Ensure that you're brushing your eyebrow hairs back up so it doesn't look weird. So yeah, that's how I do my eyebrows. Then I do the next one, and ba-dam. After going ham with the spoolie, you're going to have to clean it up just a little bit so it looks sharper at the head and it doesn't look like a mess. You just take a Q-tip with some alcohol and that should be fine. And now concealer. So apply the concealer to my hand and then take it up with my brush and then apply it to my eyebrows. When I apply the concealer to my eyebrows, I use dots because I'm a beginner, and I realize when I use dots, I make less mistakes. So after applying the dots, I then take the brush again and make a straight line under my eyebrows so it looks sharper and beautiful. So yeah, that's what I do, and then I do the same for the top of my eyebrows. I just ensure that my concealer begins a little before my eyebrows just to give it a sharper look. So after applying the concealer, now it's time to blend it in. To blend in my concealer, I use my fingers. It's what I have right now, so it's what I use. When blending in my concealer, I don't do it gently. I make sure I add some pressure to my face and ensure that I'm also spreading out the concealer into my skin so it blends out properly and it really goes with my skin tone, because I don't want to look crazy having two different colors on my face. No one wants to look crazy, right? Right? So ensure you blend it in. Blend it. So this is the end result. Hey, girl look nice, girl look cute. Hopefully this video was helpful. This is the end. So always remember, God is love and you are loved. Mwah.